Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth to your Toyota Avalon. First, make sure your car is safely in park with the ignition on. Then, navigate to the setup menu on your Avalon's display screen. From there, you'll easily find and select the Bluetooth option. This initiates the pairing process, allowing your phone to connect seamlessly for calls and audio. It's a straightforward process to get your device ready. Now, grab your smartphone and open its Bluetooth settings. Make sure your phone is in discovery mode so your Avalon can find it. On your car's screen, you'll see an option to add new device. Select that, and then simply choose your phone's name from the list that appears. Confirm any pairing requests on both devices, and you're almost done. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. Quick recommendation: connecting your phone is great, but a fresh car is even better. Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. It's a game changer. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once you've selected your phone, a pairing code will appear on both your phone and the Avalon screen. Verify these codes match and confirm. Your phone might then ask for permission to access contacts or messages. Grant these for full functionality. Finally, test the connection by making a quick call or playing some music. Enjoy your hands-free experience.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.